back to Let's Talk Kentucky. I'm Sherelle Roberts, and if you are like me, at the end of the day, you are exhausted and do not want to think about what to cook. So today, we are giving you an idea and an easy one that you can go round up the ingredients fairly easily. And to help us figure it out is Anthony Critchfield of Critchfield Meets. How are you?
Doing well. How are you all?
Good. Glad to have you back.
Thanks for having me back.
So last time you were here, you gave us a super easy recipe. We just dumped it all in one pan and cooked it down. Is today like that?
Today can be like that.
Okay.
Or if you want to do a little bit more, it can be a little bit more.
Okay, well tell us about it.
So this is a baked ravioli dish. You can make it as simple as go get your ravioli, go get your sauce, put it in a dish, mix it up, throw it in the oven.
Okay.
What I have done was got some of our local produce from Coleman Crest Farm.
Oh, okay.
From here in Lexington. I got our Italian sausages that we made in the store, and we got some cheese to grate over top of it that's made in Meadows. That's also a Kentucky Proud product.
Okay.
But you can use whatever you'd like. Brown up your meat, put your veggies together, mix it in your baking dish, throw it in the oven about 30 minutes, covered, uncover it, put your cheese on it, 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted.
Okay, so I have to ask, did you pre-cook the ravioli or just throw it all in there?
Threw it in frozen.
Oh, threw it in frozen?
Threw it in frozen.
Okay, and did you cover or uncover?
I covered it for half an hour.
Okay. See,
350.
These are the questions we need to ask.
Yes.
Because when I get home, my brain is dead.
Well, the part I love about it is that you have all of these companies like Blue Apron and you know what, but this, I mean, these Coleman Crest Farms, all of this is local stuff. So you're supporting our community.
Certainly.
So all of these things are at the Critchfield store, yes?
Yes.
Right on Southland Drive.
Right on Southland Drive, yep. We have a very nice, large produce section now, which we're very happy about. And we carry the Lexington Pasta, Pasta Garage.
Yes.
Pasta and sauces as well.
Okay, so now tell us about a little something else we've got over here. This is our lunch. I'm so excited about this.
I brought in the ribeye steak sandwiches that we do over on Butcher's Grill.
Oh gosh.
You can get it as a combo pack, which I did, which is chips, cookies, and you could also, if you come into the store, you can get it as a combo and get French fries or onion rings.
Now, when you said ribeye steak sandwich,
yes,
I was thinking like shredded. This is a whole steak.
This is a ribeye steak.
It is a ribeye steak sandwich. We shoot for about a 4-ounce steak on the sandwich.
This is like 12.
That one's a little heavier.
I'm not complaining. I'm just
And the
saying.
grill is right there.
It's right there, right inside, right across from our hot bar. Where if you want the fried chicken, go for the fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken's
if you're
amazing.
if you're wanting something off the grill, come over on over to the grill.
So what I hear you saying is that I don't actually have to cook.
You don't
I
have
can
to
just
cook anything. You can just come get
Lunch and dinner.
Yes.
You're covered.
Yes.
What's for lunch?
Exactly. I'm here for
stand.
this. Well, Anthony, thank you so much for being here and for sharing an easy recipe. And folks, if you want to make this, you can go over to Critchfield on Southland Drive.
We'll be there looking for you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. All right, everybody, when we come back, we'll check in on that poll question to see how you all have been voting, and we'll have our woman we're talking about.
Let's Talk Kentucky is brought to you by